So I think now we can kind of go like a day by day thing. All right, guys. So I ended up just speeding it up because I'm just having too many issues with trying to do like a full talk through. So here on Monday, I ended up having a personal training appointment. So I put down that beautiful half box, found a sticker from Goldmine CoCo of Peyton doing squats, and put that down. Then I put, oh, I'm out of breath. What in the world? So I put down a quarter box for a return I had to do to Ross. And then in that full box, my intention was to put down something else. Oh, I was going to put down me like filming and editing videos. No, as you'll see later on, I ended up making it a laundry day box. I mean, I did do laundry that day too, but that wasn't my intent when I actually put it down. Then I just cut down the bow checklist, and I ended up putting that I filmed 3 videos that like afternoon, evening. I also washed my hair. I cleaned up the dining room, and then I cooked dinner. So I was feeling real accomplished. I do apologize for like the brightness in this video. I'm going to work on that. I promise. I'm going to work on that. So on Tuesday early morning, I had an appointment for my Invisalign. So I just put a event label up there. They had an appointment, and then that full box was actually also intended for me to put down my editing and posting videos. But again, I put something else in it. I had a webinar that I actually planned on putting a like one of those decorative quarter boxes down for that you'll see momentarily. Originally, I was supposed to put it in there, but I ended up putting it in a full box. I guess I must have just completely forgot everything that I said that I was going to do, and just I kind of winged it after it was all said and done. So I just put down that to-do header. I'm going to put down that decorative box. After I put down, the laundry day script and sticker, like I said, I didn't know. I was just winging it at this point. And after I put down that decorative quarter box, I put down another half box for a meeting that I did have that night. Now, Tuesday, I did go and vote. I hope you guys voted too. If you're in the areas that had to vote on this Tuesday, it's very important for you to be knowledgeable of what's going on in your community, in your city, in your state, and to, exercise your right to vote, because you can't sit and complain about things not being great when you don't take the time to actually make your voice heard. Okay, off the soapbox I go. So on Wednesday, I really didn't have too much that I intended to do. It was really just going to be another like cleaning, organizing day, kind of finishing off what I had started on Tuesday. So here I was putting down a flag and a organize your crap script sticker from Goldmine CoCo. And then underneath of that, I used the cleaning day script from this kit along with a spray bottle sticker to kind of symbolize that. And then for all my other like to-dos, as you'll see momentarily, I put down the to-do header and a bow checklist. But what I failed to realize what was going to happen on Wednesday was that my body was going to say, nah. So I ended up being so sore. Come Wednesday, I could not barely move my chest, my arms, my legs were hurting, like my thighs, my butt, like literally from my knees to my neck. That everything was hurting. I could not move. I couldn't raise my arm up above my head. It was bad. It was real bad. And as much as I tried to push myself when I did that workout on Monday, I have to like realize, Joya, if something is hurting you, or you know, you're not you can't feel, you don't feel like you're giving it your, full 100%, then you have to cut back. And I definitely realized that, because I'm doing this voiceover today on Friday the 8th, and I'm literally just starting to feel better, and I worked out on Monday. Okay, so back with the plan with me. um Thursday's payday, yay. So I ended up putting the payday script sticker at the very top. And then here, because I'm going to be working Thursday and Friday night, boo, I'm looking through my Happy Planner sticker book that has the nurse stuff in it. And I wanted to put down 2 of the night shift, like, nurse little doodles, as well as look for the word script here, as you see, that has like work, and then it has the times that you could put down. So I ended up putting that down. I'm so sorry about the quality of this video. Hopefully you guys really bear with me here. This is definitely a learning process. There's so many things that I need to really look into and educate myself. So I think you'll see Sunday I really didn't put down much to do. So I think that's what I'm really going to try to do on Sunday, because I have to figure out what the heck is going on here. But yeah, so I am just putting down a little to-do header. I put down a full box, and then on Thursday, once the pay hits for me, I will be doing my budgeting. I do use the Luxurious Lifestyle Planner to help me with my budgeting, like writing it down wise. And then I also use YNAB, which is a mobile app, almost similar to Every Dollar, I believe it's called, where you kind of budget everything down to zero, not meaning $0 in your account, but all dollars have a job. So I put that down. I use the plan script from the kit, and then I use this budget time script sticker from Kate Budgets. That's her Etsy shop name, but on here, her on YouTube, she's Kate and Drew. And then after that, because I do have to work that night, my plan was to just kind of chill, sleep in, relax, not do much of anything. So I put that little event label down there, and I grabbed one of my chill Peyton stickers, and I put her down. And that pretty much sums up the rest of Thursday for me. I just put down my little night shift nursing stickers there, even though it's so washed out. Eventually you guys will see it. I'm so sorry about that. And then I had some of the Peyton corner stickers, so I kind of put those on there too to kind of decorate it up a little bit. I thought they were really cute. I thought this is probably like one of my favorite spreads that I've done so far in my planner. I do like the creativity that I really put into this one. I think I was always so afraid to really do it. And even more so because I know that I want to, film these things. But me having this issue of not being able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes is, it's kind of a hindrance. So, I mean, one of these days, I'll get it together. I'm going to figure it out. I really think what it is because I'm doing it on my phone and not on a computer. So I'm going to try that and see if that helps. So, for Saturday and Sunday, the weekend is pretty chill. On Saturday, I just have a meeting at 1. So I put a full box down. I don't think you could see it. I think it's definitely out of frame there, but it's a full box in that top part of this column. And then I just put one of those thick like header labels that's in the kit. And I decided to make that an impromptu movie night. Will that happen? I don't know. But when I'm on night shift, I try to make it more of a priority to spend as much time as possible with my boyfriend, because we're on opposite schedules. So I end up doing the same exact thing for Sunday. Sunday, I put down the bow checklist just to, say, hey, I'm going to do a few things and then make it about us. That's pretty much it. So lastly, I'm just putting down that weekend script sticker. I end up going back, throwing in some of those deco stickers at the top. And I also went back and just some of the little cute stickers and bows that's in the kit. I wanted to try to use up as much as the kit as possible. So I just went ahead and did all of that. And I mean, at the end of it, I really, really, really do love the way this kit look. It's very fall, but that gold gives it the gold gives it a little pop. I feel like I'm going to be apologizing a lot in this video. I also apologize because I'm trying to be a good patient and wear my Invisalign again. But when I wear my Invisalign and I talk, sometimes I have a list. Sometimes it's like I'm stuttering over my words because I'm like unintentionally sucking on my tongue. I don't know. It's very weird. I don't get it. I'm trying to figure it out, but I try to do the best that I can to not do that. But here I'm just cutting off that excess sticker from putting those deco stickers up the top, just so it's not hanging off. And then this is what the finished spread looked like. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for tuning in. Bye.